Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. My name is Celeste and I'm a technical project owner at Suterra. And today I'm here to talk about how berry growers can increase their control of spotted wing Drosophila using our novel attract and kill device, BioMagnet Ruby. In case you're not familiar with our organization, Suterra operates the largest dedicated insect semiochemical manufacturing facility in the world. So something unique about us is that we invest heavily in early stage active ingredient synthesis, as well as formulation for our pheromone delivery systems. And I think what's also important for growers to know is that our development process is heavily informed by industry feedback, and that's resulted in several patented technologies and first to market solutions over the past 40 plus years. As you can see here, Suterra has a diverse range of pest management solutions available in different crop systems. So every solution is designed to perform across a variety of growing conditions and is easy to deploy. And as I mentioned before, we are continuously investing in new technologies and just really excited to share our attract and kill technology that is new to North America called BioMagnet. It's the photo you'll see all the way to the far right. So before we go further, I wanted to provide you all with a quick overview of the pest. This is spotted wing Drosophila, also known as Drosophila Suzuki or SWD. And it's one of the most economically damaging pests in berry production. And that's because, unlike the other Drosophila species, SWD is able to lay its eggs in ripening fruit using its serrated ovipositor. And so this directly impacts fruit marketability and increases fruit susceptibility to pathogens in the field. This pest affects a wide range of crops, including blueberries, strawberries, caneberries, cherries, stone fruit, and grapes. And from Suterra, our available attract and kill solution in the US for spotted wing Drosophila is called BioMagnet Ruby. So BioMagnet Ruby is an attract and kill system specifically designed to reduce larval infestations by luring in and then killing adult spotted wing Drosophila. This device contains a proprietary pheromone blend that attracts flies. Side note here, once you receive the product, be sure to open it outdoors because the odor of the attractant is very strong. And so that's coupled with a low dose of deltamethrin, 10 milligrams per device, as the kill agent. It's labeled for use and registered in key production states like California, Florida, and Georgia, making it a really versatile option for SWD management programs. Our biomagnet line has a long history of use globally, and we're very proud to bring this proven technology to North America. So what sets BioMagnet Ruby apart is its long field life. It lasts for 4 months and has several effective product features. So like I mentioned, it's got an unmatched duration, the longest persistence on the market. It is field optimized with 0 REI, 0 PHI, which makes for easy deployment and supports different styles of field operations. It is self-contained, which means that the insecticide never touches the crop, and the coating is resistant to weather and different agricultural activities. So this device is resilient when it comes to hand harvest, mechanical harvest, insecticide sprays, pretty much any crop management activity you might perform during the growing season. It's also got a versatile hook, so you'll see on the icon on the far right, the left side is more rectangular shaped and the right side is more circular shaped, which allows for quick and easy deployment regardless of whatever crop system you might be working in. And it's for these reasons that BioMagnet Ruby is a tool that supports sustainable, conventional IPM management strategies. How exactly does attract and kill technology work then? It works by modifying insect behavior instead of having to treat the entire crop. So first, a food-based attractant will draw adult SWD flies to the device. When the flies land, they make contact with the insecticide-coated surface. and that's when the insecticide is transferred to the fly. It's transferred on contact, which results in rapid knockdown and mortality of flies. And it's this approach that allows us to treat the pest directly while reducing insecticide exposure to the crop and other non-target organisms like pollinators or beneficials that might exist within your field. As far as placement timing goes, deploying BioMagnet Ruby early in the season means that growers can suppress adult SWD populations before pressure starts to build, and this will improve the effectiveness of their entire program. We've illustrated this with a graph on the top right, but essentially, with a 4-month field life, early placement provides season-long support during peak moments of the growing season, like when fruit begins to ripen and when crews begin to harvest. And from many consecutive years of field trials, our team has found that when incorporated into a comprehensive IPM program, BioMagnet Ruby has been shown to reduce SWD larval emergence by an average of 75%. So what does this percent reduction translate into for growers? It means that there will be improved fruit quality and reduced risk at harvest at the end of the growing season. When it comes to deployment of the product, BioMagnet Ruby is applied at a rate of 60 devices per acre, and there are actually flexible placement options depending on the crop system that you're working in. So keep in mind that devices should be evenly distributed and always handled by the hook with the holes facing up or out. And Suterra actually provides sample deployment patterns with a few of the more common field spacings, and we are able to create custom-free deployment patterns to support the application process for growers. We have deployment strategies listed for caneberries and strawberries, but deployment in blueberries and cherries would be similar to caneberries. So either hang on a trellis wire below the fruiting zone or on a sturdy branch. So the key takeaway here is that BioMagnet Ruby lasts longer than any other SWD control strategy that is currently available. And because BioMagnet Ruby never touches the fruit, plant, or soil, it uses only approximately 2% of the insecticide required by other equivalent spray programs. And this reduction in insecticide use supports resistance management, it protects beneficials, pollinators, and non-target species, and aligns with an operations sustainability goals. If you have any additional questions about Ruby or want some extra help designing a deployment strategy, our customer care info is listed on the screen. You can also find a lot of other helpful materials on our site, suterra.com. We have deployment videos by crop and a few different blog articles listing the benefits of Ruby application for growers. I wanted to thank you all for your time today and let you know that you can reach out to me for any additional technical guidance. As always, we appreciate your partnership and your commitment to sustainable pest management.